Hello super fastmatic friends, today we're going to study another percentage case about how to calculate successive percent increase. Let's see one example. 6 months back, the cost of an air ticket from Detroit to San Francisco was $400. 4 months back, the fares increased by 12.5%. Last month, the fares increased by 25%, and yesterday, the airlines again increased the fares by 11.11%. What is the price of a Detroit to San Francisco ticket today? Remember that always that I have a problem about percent, we can use rule of 3, this magic invention. So, here we're talking about money, and also we are talking about percentage. Then you have to reserve one column for money, one column for percent, and you cannot mix both. Okay? So, first, we know that the ticket from Detroit to San Francisco was costing $400. That was the 100% of the price. But 4 months back, the fares increased by 12.5%. That means that instead of having 100, now you have 112.5%. And the question is, how much is it? Then we are going to make that rule of 3. Remember that always you are going to multiply the numbers that have a couple in diagonal, and the answer will be divided by the number that doesn't have a couple in diagonal. So x is equal to 400 times 112.5 divided by 100. And the answer is $450. Now, we restart with a new rule of 3 because $450 is now my 100%. But now I have a new fare increased by 25%. So now 125%, how much? Then I'm going to solve it. 450 times 125 divided by 100. 450 times 125 divided by 100, and that is 562.5, and we can fill with a 0. That means $562.50. But now it is incredible, we have a new price, a new increase, that is 11.11%. So we're going to make a new rule of 3 because our 100% now is $562.50, and the question is 111.11%, how much will be? So we calculate that, multiplying 562.5 times 111.11 divided by 100. And the answer is $624.99. Oh my God, it is a very expensive flight ticket, but it is possible. So we are calculating successive percent increase. But wait a second, we have another method very fast because we are in fastmatics and we are going to do it very quick. So let's do it. You take the original price and you're gonna multiply by 1 point, remember 1 point, and the percentage you are increasing. So first you are gonna take the 12.5%. That means 12.5. Remember, when you want to convert a percentage into a decimal number, you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So if you want to increase 12.5%, you are going to write 1.125. But after that, we have an increase of 25%. So you write 1.25. And after that, we had an increase of, we write 1.1111. It is very, very easy. And the final answer is $624.99 for this flight ticket. So remember, calculate successive percent increase is very easy. You take the number you are interested in and you multiply it by 1 point and the percentage written in a decimal form. After that, multiply it by 1 point and the percentage. And after that, 1 point and the percentage written in a decimal form. That's it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time, friends.